Hello everyone. Okay, greeting friends. I will introduce myself. My name is Ramdhani Haji Ibrahim and my college next to me is called.
My name is Martinus Pamapangon.
Now we will present your English a segment about blockade drains in Kampung Makassar. Analyzing of blockade water drainage due to soil and improper asphalt elevation.
Background drainage is essential to channel rainwater effectively. An issue: water cannot flow properly due to blocked pipe and incorrect road and asphalt slope.
Visible problems. First, pipe blockage due to soil and leaves. Second, improper elevation and slope of asphalt. Ground level is flat or above pipe inlet. No natural water path towards the pipe.
Consequence: water pooling during rainfall damages to road structure and health risks due to stagnant water. And the last, increased surface erosion.
Technical cases. Pipe elevation is higher than the surrounding surface. Inadequate slope of the asphalt surface. Lack of regular maintenance in cleaning.
Suggested solution: 1. Edit asphalt elevation to ensure water flows through the pipe. And 2. Roadside cleaning and inspection. And 3. Install protective draining to prevent debris entry. 4. The construction, the drainage of necessary for proper flow.
Conclusion. Effective drainage requires proper elevation and obstruction-free design. A combination of correct engineering and regular maintenance is essential. These improvements are both technical and environmentally significant.
So this is documentation from the location that is our case study. We apologize if there are still many errors in this video. And finally, we would like to thank you all for your attention. Thank you.